In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a custom page template in Confluence. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to build reusable templates that help your team create consistent pages faster. To create a space template, open the Confluence space where you want the template to be available. In the left sidebar, click Space Settings, then select Templates. Click Create New Template to open the template editor. Now design your template by adding headings, tables, placeholders, checklists, and any macros your team uses regularly. You can include sections for meeting notes, project details, action items, or instructions, so every new page follows the same structure. When you're finished, give the template a clear name and click Save. The next time someone clicks Create in that space, your custom template will appear in the template gallery and can be used immediately. If you want the template available across your entire Confluence site, you'll need Confluence Administrator permissions. Open Settings, go to General Configuration, then select Global Templates and Blueprints. Click Add Global Template, build your template the same way, then save or publish it. Your global template will now be available to users across all spaces, helping standardize documentation throughout your organization. That's how to create a custom page template in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.